Good morning, trader. Today, the 19th of January 2022, and we got the highlights. It's heavier expect rain in SAM and SAM crop range. So increase. So the country movement is slow. Basic survival is building, and farmer use defend pace cash flow, and the economy remain bullish. Commodity. So weather focus to 67% change LA Ninja. In May, 51% change Nature LA. So the corn we got 32% GE Parana Brazil. Corn's 3% harvest. And fig gain is sport slowing. That's good. We don't need that much of exporting because the support inside the country is better. Soybean on December current record is 186.44 MBU. So Panama crop like 29% of GE and 22% of in India. China's 57%. And with Australia, and the buyer in Australia's offer Black Sea weatherproof. So be 70% winter with in dropped. So the food's cost elevators mean higher cost. Be prepared in everywhere in the U.S. and everywhere in the world. Food will cost more money. So livestock is YTD cattle after 131,000 head, and the YTD hog slaughter cost 825,000 head, and we could get benefit margin and pork demand question. I mean, pork will drop a little bit. That's what I mean. USDA get many problem, and it's kind of like take time to prove everything, even though they don't have much people work for them right now. That's our overview. We got a lot done. The stock kind of gained a little bit, but most of the day we were good today. But the main thing is the oil increase map has increased a lot. So as mean the gas in US will go really, really high in next couple weeks. So SP 500 we drop 1.81 and 84% mean 85 points, and Dow Jones drop 500 points, and Nasdaq gets 380 some point, and a lot of the stock right now is in SP 500. That's kind of again a little bit 14 point in Nasdaq. It's Nasdaq mini, Nasdaq 100 getting 80s, almost 80 points, 78 point, and we got a lot of them gaining soybeans, sugar, coffee, wheat, corn, silver, gold, natural gas, and crude oil, and 10 years T-notes and SP 500, especially Dow Jones Mini. Everything kind of a little gain, and just get a little natural gas, a little drop. But in real life, natural gas gain up a little bit. The first one we're going to look for today is Sophie Technology. I think everyone knows this one. And I think this is a good one to buy. Is it around? Remember? Now the cost 14 something, you have to take down those $2 some, because that $2 gain supposed to not be count about. We buy about 12.5. That's perfect. Do not buy more than that. You can buy some right now. It's hey, I'm going to buy 10 share, 20 share right now is around 14, but after that you have to drop them down to 12. Otherwise, good luck. Because on the charts, I'm going to sell 13.86. That's the highest one. That means you have to buy lower than that. Do not buy at 14. Have to be lower than 14. So its gain up today is 17%, especially for Sophie. And we look at for today, they may going to jump to 14.5 to $15 today. But on the map, we can see we can buy from 14, and every order is around 60 cents. That's 0.6, and we kind of buy like 4 order, and when we sell it, about 14.5 and 0.5 cent for each order to sell out, but we sell out 3 orders. We buy in 4 order, but we sell out 3 orders. And the second one is BBIG. BBIG, that's the Vinco Ventures. Vinco Ventures like $1 billion company, and all of them is a $1 billion company. And especially the cap that cut up a little low like that is 900 something, but that's the $1 billion company. Don't worry about that. Those detail, it's not that much, The highest one is $12.49 and lowest $1.42, and we keep buying them around what? $2.50 some cent, under $3. That's perfect because we can see the earning a little bit better, but much better. But anyway, it's still in negative side, and especially it didn't cost the positive side yet, and it's still under the positive. Of course, the value will drop very quick. As try to get the big trap today. Whoever didn't calculate them correctly or perfectly, then they will get trapped on this one. Especially look on the right map, the map on the right hand side. It's going to be going down. That's the direction map, and the map on the left is the layer map. The layers mean we're going to buy around the second layer right now, and especially right now it's on the third layer, but we have to buy on the second layer to able to sell it on the third layer or on the 4 layers. So it's going to have it right now. We need to buy them under $3 because unable to get more than $3, we cannot, make good profits on that, and especially it's $4 something. It's very high, and because it's getting a lot of what's going on, we can see the rate, the F rate is higher, and the power rate system. The power rate system is a company kind of like connecting finance, and they kind of getting 118 on the factor, and we got like the negative went up 278.42%, and EBITDA margin compared with like 12.8% industry average. That's really important news. And now we're going to take a look what's going on. The revenue decreased 11.5% years over years, and $2.23 million on the third quarter, end up in this is become $542 million indicate, and it's like $2.83 million ago value, and all the loss, $7 something is done like, but 2,430% increase. That's more important, and the stock of 98.6% in price compared with last year. Whatever happened is they still in the yearly they still increase really high. That's good. That's good enough. And we say that's early in 2021 is and smash. However, its gains were short. Remember, after this gain is dropped really, really bad. If you don't prepare for this stock, please ask me. Yep. However, and how much they gain on that, just take that thing off. like we never seen that before, just buy normally. Thank you very much and have a good day.